Yeah, so my name is Heikki Väänänen, co-founder and CEO of HappyOrNot. By the way, has anyone seen device like this before somewhere? Okay, nice. It looks like we are becoming famous. So what HappyOrNot is doing, we are providing a solution for companies to measure customer satisfaction in real time. And what does it mean? It means that we have this kind of cloud-based service, including analytics, combined or connected to thousands of this kind of devices, and we have seen that it's extremely powerful way to collect feedback in any point of service locations. So actually, until today, we have collected cumulatively roughly 100 million feedbacks globally, and weekly rate is now something like 1 million people are giving feedback via this service every week. Yeah, so who are behind this company? So we have 20 employees, and currently we are growing almost every month. So right now we are also recruiting 3 persons. We have 5 serial entrepreneurs in our management to make sure that this story will be successful. And it means that those guys have had many companies before and they have done exits before, so not just people with many companies in their hand. Yeah, so what our customers are doing, so they get those reports continuously, so they get those reports daily, weekly, monthly, and they can develop their service every day. And this is something totally new. So what we have heard from customers is that, for example, one customer told that, yeah, I love this service because this is first time ever when our staff is discussing with customers. And one other client told that, I like this service because basically in 2 years our results has went up and we haven't done any extra resourcing. So basically that's something what they are looking for. And what makes us totally different compared to competitors? So there are 2 things. And first one is amount of feedback. So in typical methods, it's possible to collect, for example, from retail store, something like, let's say, 5 to 10 feedbacks per month. And with our solution, it's possible to collect even thousands of feedbacks in that same time period. And about reporting, that's other extremely important thing. So we are providing reporting in real time or next day latest. So not after 1 week or 1 month. About our market, it's huge, like you can see and you understand. So basically this service can be used in any point of service locations. And what we have seen is that when customers are using this service, those companies get better results and customers are happier and they use more money and our customers are more happy. And about this all data, so we also own this whole data and that's our golden egg and we are utilizing it in many ways. Yeah, so we heard that it would be really nice to release something new and exciting here. So here you go. Here is our latest customer from US. So we are doing now market entry in US, and of course this kind of high-profile customers are extremely important for us there. And like you can see on picture, they are not using our device in Moon yet, so they are using our device in US. And shortly about finance side, so about service fee, our service fee is about 30 to 60 euros per month. And about our target sales for next year is something like $7 million. Yes, okay. So that was HappyOrNot in nutshell. Thank you. And now I guess it's time for difficult questions.
Time for questions. I don't know if they're difficult, but they're a couple of questions. How how do you maintain a competitive advantage? Because I don't know if I've seen your I know I've seen your devices, but I know that I've seen other devices as well, which are pretty similar, with touch screens or without touch screens. And how do you maintain the competitive advantage there?
Yeah, basically from the day one, we started to test different kind of solution. We had a thought that could this be done with touchscreen, or how should we do it? We did our tests, and so have our customers done the tests as well. So basically this is the only solution that provides a long life cycle of the continuous flow of feedback, which is what our customers need to kind of maintain their business and improve their business with this kind of data. It's the approachability, and it's the totally wireless device. It's extremely easy for end customers and for our customers, so that's the main difference in the solution.
So tell more about your customers. Where is this revenue coming, and where is the sweet spot?
Yeah, so actually already today we have quite many customers from Fortune 500 list. So we have now about 500 customers in 30 countries who are using our service. And mainly we are now operating in Europe and US, and one thing what we are looking for here is partner to Asia, and have had some meetings regarding that already.
So is there a big picture? Do you plan to take this? What is the big vision?
Yeah, so about big vision, like I told, this kind of service could be used in any place where service is provided. So basically our target is that you will see, or actually you will see these devices in many countries already, like we are operating in now in, I think that 25 airports are using our service already. So our target is that whenever you have a service somewhere in Europe or in US, you will see our service. It will be most likely our service what you will see.
Well, actually, I was thinking, are you planning to do something with the data, like aggregate it, benchmark, provide comparisons?
Yeah, exactly. That's a good question. So yeah, for example, this kind of comparison. So we released one article about 2 weeks ago in Helsingin Sanomat, like biggest magazine here in Finland. And we released that about, it told about results in healthcare. So we did comparison with public healthcare and private healthcare. So that's one way how we are using that information. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Happy or Not.